If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I know I've been gone a little while and I apologize. However, today I will be showing you a wash and go using Mielle Organics products, and these are my results. If you are interested, then stay tuned. Let's get right into it. So the first product I used for this wash and go was the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. This product is supposed to enhance your curls with soft definition for thick, curly type 4 hair. The second product I use is the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel, which is supposed to enhance curl definition and help the hair retain moisture. The Honey and Ginger Styling Gel has 70% certified organic ingredients like honey, ginger, and babasu to help nourish and hydrate hair while delivering manageable hold. The first product I used was the Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie, and I distributed this product all throughout my hair, starting in sections. After applying the curl smoothie, I then went on to using the Honey and Ginger Styling Gel, applying in bigger sections and then later in smaller sections, running through it with my hands and later on brushing through each section with my Denman brush. After letting my hair dry, I then apply the Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Edge Gel, which is one of my favorite edge controls. It smells good, it gets the job done, and I just tied the front of my hair so my edges would lay down. As you can see, I also took out my middle part. I wanted to do my hair going back this time so it would be easier for me to convert my hair into a bun, which you all will see very soon. Please let me know what you you think about this wash and go. I never tried this product combination before, but I thought I'd give it a try because I love both these products, and I'd like to see how long my hair stays very soft and manageable before I'm over the wash and go. So I will keep you all updated. If you do not follow me on Instagram, please follow me at Curlsbythedozen. Please be sure to let me know what you think of this video down below in the comments. And if you're not subscribed and you like this video, please subscribe for more content. Thank you.